Welcome. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device using your screen lock PIN code. So in such situation you'll have to memorize your PIN code, and the PIN code worked for you the last time, and also make sure that you're trying to enter your personal PIN code that you set up for yourself and not the SIM card PIN code, as these two are often mistaken for each other. And now if your previous PIN doesn't work for you, you can access the safe mode. To do that, hold down the volume down button with the power button for about 10 seconds until your device shuts down. And once it shuts down, hold down on these buttons once again to turn the device on. Now sometimes you have to wait for a couple of seconds until it shuts down completely. Then turn your device on once again by holding the power key. Okay. It's quite troublesome sometimes. And once you see the Samsung logo on your screen, hold down the volume down key and keep holding it until your device boots up. Now once your device boot it up, you'll see the safe mode in the bottom left corner of your screen, which indicates that you are in the safe mode right now. So what you have to do is try to enter the previous PIN number that works for you. Right now it won't be affected by your phone malfunctioning or any third-party application corrupting your device. Settings. So you can try entering the PIN code, and if you entered the PIN code and it worked for you, you can go to the settings, select lock screen, screen lock and biometrics, enter your PIN code once again, and then select none on the list. And once you do that, you can restart your phone by holding down volume down and power button again, then click restart, confirm, and wait until your device reboots normally. And then you'll be able to use it once again. But if this didn't work for you and your device is still locked, then in such case you'll have to contact Samsung customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will most likely help you regain access to your device without removing your personal data from stored on your device. Now if this option is unavailable for some reason for you too, then you can perform a factory reset operation. Now the first way to perform a factory reset operation is to use a recovery mode. You can do this locally with your phone. It's pretty easy, but if you need some help on your way, then we are glad to help you. Just go ahead and check out the full video on how to perform factory reset through recovery mode on Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and we'll explain everything step by step to you. Now the other way to perform factory reset operation is remotely using either Google's Find Hub service or Samsung's Find My Device feature. So to do that, you have to use any other device that you have to log in, either to Find My Device by Samsung or Find Hub service by Google. Then use one of your accounts, either Samsung or Google's account to log in to one of these services, and then select your device on the list once you're logged in and select factory reset, and this will also perform a factory reset operation on your phone remotely. Now once your phone is fully reset, you'll be able to set up your device once again and use it as a new device. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.